Good morning, everyone, from the ROV control room of the RV Falkor. My name is John Magyar. I'm a research scientist in geobiology at Caltech, and we are here with ROV SuBastian, which is 3,610 meters deep in the Gulf of California, off of Baja Peninsula in Mexico. We have been exploring the hydrothermal vent systems of the South Pescadero Basin here. These were discovered in mapping expeditions from MBARI in 2015 and explored in 2015 and 2018 on this ship. And so we've been out here for almost 2 weeks now exploring these vent systems, collecting rocks, push cores of mud, looking at the microbiology, looking at the biology of the invertebrates, worms and anemones, other interesting creatures. And so today we're coming back down to the Auka Vent Field. We're going to land about 50 meters west of a hydrothermal feature known as the Matterhorn and deploy a colonization array here. This is a setup with several bags of different kinds of rock chips that have been autoclaved to sterilize them. We're going to look at microbial colonization of these different minerals. And various other substrates, foam and plastic substrates that we're putting down for animals and microorganisms to colonize. And we will be back here in April on the RV Western Flyer, and we will pick up this array and see what we have found.
Can you remind me, where are the arrays currently that are staying till April? Diane's Vent?
Diane's
the Big
Vent
Cavern?
and Big Cavern. So
Okay.
there's 6 arrays total. 3
Yeah.
are on the vehicle.
Yeah.
1 is at Diane's Vent, 1 is at the Matterhorn, and 1 is at the Big Cavern.
Yeah.
The one at the Matterhorn is, or Z-Vent, no, Z-Vent, not Matterhorn. The one that is at Z-Vent will be coming home with us today and will be replaced by one of the ones we're bringing down. So
The one at what? The one at
Z-Vent.
Z-Vent. Yeah, okay.
Diane, so currently Diane, Z, and
Yeah.
Deja.
Okay. If I make up a little, you guys can add to this, but if I make a little map, charter map,
Yeah.
do you want the rings to be included in this as well? Or are they kind of separate from the arrays? What do we call them? Springs?
The springs. We should mention the ones that have a separate spring with monkey fist.
Yeah.
We should mention that on our treasure map. Otherwise we'll forget.
Are we
I'll add to that.
are we just dropping an array, or are we doing heat flow, or
I believe we are just dropping an array.
so yeah, I can grab it. Well, yeah, we said
Yeah.
white mouse anyway.
Yeah.
Join in here. I do not have the notebook. I can't trust it.
Oh.
I mean, that is the notebook.
There's the notebook, and here's the vent log. Oh, and in C-Log, in
Yeah.
sample storage, there's now a radio button for colonization array.
Oh, fantastic.
And then in your storage location.
Yeah.
At the very bottom.
Oh, love
that.
it.
And so, as a sample number, do the dive number and then the number
VO
that's
number.
the VO number that's on the float. So
Fantastic.
the first one will be VO3.
Ah,
All right.
all right. There's the play spot. Okay, cool. I see it. Let me take some pictures here.
So we have now arrived at the seafloor, 3,650 meters or so, 3,630 on the overlay. We have a couple different depth sensors that calculate the depths slightly differently based on the same data. So, and we are on bottom. So we'll just take a look around here, get situated.
Do you want to do? Does one of you want to do this? Just one of you want to do this? I'm just. Okay, you're just okay. I'm good. I can be here.
We got a quick white balance here. Very nice. All right.
I know. But maybe there will be in the new control room. There'll be like a big horseshoe.
VO3 son?
VO3.
And we're 50 meters west.
50 meters west of the Matterhorn. We're going to get an accurate bearing and distance when we get in.
Okay, we're gonna make our way in. Okay.
Yeah. Can you pause with it in the camera for just a second? We've got a quick frame grab. Got that?
Iris down.
Oh,
Let me give you all the
It's the middle.
yeah.
If you don't have control, they can
Yeah, I
Try it. Yep, you got it.
Beautiful.
is that
Hit pork chop. So there's that was your ISO, so the iris is the top.
The iris,
You go
okay.
clockwise, it'll go down.
and the picture.
it's not doing. No,
Unresponsive.
unresponsive.
Wait 1 second. Don't.
Now try it. Sorry, Jared, can you go on and off again?
Just 1 second. Let me take it off. I think we have control now. Try it there. Then I'll go on and off in a second if that doesn't work. Okay, going on. Don't touch anything. And off. Okay, you try.
Try some dental ones with You go on off again?
Yep. On. And off.
Try it on again.
Alright, try it with it on. Nothing? Okay, going off.
No.
Can you just iris us down and we'll fix it while we move into the Matterhorn?
Right there. No, what is that? You rode. Well,
Try
maybe,
to get your iris on off.
we'll wait.
Iris.
Maybe it's hanging on the other side.
What are you looking for?
Oh, it don't look like they're on there.
Get your eyes.
Oh,
So do yours matter? Because his do matter.
Yeah.
Do you have different things on different ones?
You want to shut it off?
They could be switched.
Should we figure this out, right? So who put them on? Who put them both on?
Very good.
You want to shut this off?
But I told my
He's got the food.
Yeah.
there's one on two.
Just one. Because you have two packages.
Yeah.
So there should be someone.
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Try it now, Joel. There you go.
Yep. Okay. Thank you.
Wait, hang on. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna get a picture of this. Is it? Can you sort of rotate it around so we can see the other side?
Sure can.
Thank you.
I think I only
Hold on just a sec.
What was that?
Is there a way to look in the
Milk crate.
milk crate?
We can go ahead and deploy the array. So these
Where
are
would that be?
mesh bags with mineral pieces in them, some foam blocks, some ceramic chips from our collaborators in engineering at Caltech. And we're going to leave these here until April and see what kinds of microbial and other lives will colonize the substrates here in this array.
So VOC
And
480. Okay.
so we're dropping a marker here. Thank you.
A heading. 266.
And then, let's head from here. We ready to head to the Matterhorn?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll head from here to the Matterhorn, and when we get there, figure out what the distance and bearing was.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes.
So you don't need another one?
I mean, if you want to grab another rock, I would say no, but
But if we
Yeah, if we don't grab the rock, it might give us a little
Yeah,
more time
maybe we just
to maybe do
yeah,
December.
no, I'm cool with what we got. So,
Alright,
thank you.
great.
we have 2 hours.
I was gonna call that array B03.
VO3.
VO3,
But yes,
Like the perfect order.
Yeah.
such as,
just like.
What a coincidence.
not to mistake with some other scientists with their initials putting,
That's Nancy putting their initials on it when you're forgetting stuff.
yeah, that's right.
For slurps 1 through 4 have snow in them.
Great. Perfect, yeah.
Basket map? Is that just for the note taker?
Thank you, John.
Slurps 1 through 4.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, we're coming up on Matterhorn.
I guess it's an okay photo from, it's okay, we only took it from like above. This is like stressful, because it's really low.
I'm gonna go behind it.
Well, yeah, I know. Like, where are the boats? And then we don't want the boats out there, so.
Here she is.
Yeah, it's beautiful. All right. Do you remember which side?
Was our ring?
Yeah.
Um,
You go up to it's near the top, right? Look at that nice little ring of clams around the
Yeah.
base.
Yeah, there is.
walking through a burning ring of fire.
Can you iris up the tray?
Yeah.
That's the
It's the white up here that's pretty strong.
positioning. The shift on this overlay was done to Matterhorn, so you can see how spot on it is.
There it is.
That's nice.
Our ring. All right. We deployed this at the beginning of leg 3. This is just a stainless steel ring. We were interested to see if we would get any mineral colonization in the short term. And the Matterhorn site has some unusual mineralogy relative to other places in the vent field, so we're very keen on looking at fresh precipitates.
37 meters actually
Okay, thanks.
from Matterhorn
Alright.
at 267.
Okay.
That's next.
All right, so we're going to try to pick up this little monkey fist here, and we're going to put it in BioBox 4.
You ready? I'll go again as close as I can, Roger.
It's close.
Yeah.
Not yet. Not yet.
Gosh, Greg, if he wants to do photogrammetry around the top of Matterhorn.
Yeah, we should. I don't
Yeah.
think that we did actually.
I mean, it's really, the water is very clear
Okay,
right now.
well, I
So
think you should do it.
before we grab it, sorry,
No problem.
could we do a little photogrammetry fly around the top of Matterhorn, since it's pretty clear right now?
The camera settings there.
I am, yeah.
Okay.
It's looking good, John.
This one? Okay. And then I don't have to type anything? Okay. And then do we click it when we're done?
As soon as we said that,
You want to zoom out?
yeah. I am zoomed out as far as I can be.
You want to do the top part?
Top part.
Put a hand up a bit better than the tray in there.
Doesn't want to live in there anyway. You should maybe break them up. You don't want to.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Yeah. But you discussed that with him. Green first person. Yeah. No, like random movement, like telephone game. No, with him. Yeah.
Yeah, we did first with that. Are you happy with that one? Are you happy with that one?
Yep, and then we're gonna go around the other direction.
Same height?
Same height, same distance and height.
Yeah.
Just
It does seem strange. Now it's completely artificial. I think you should get rid of them. I mean, they're big sometimes, right? But they can break them. It's a side experiment, and there won't be any oxidants in the active area. Right. So it's basically going to mess up your experiment, and there won't be any oxidants. I think you won't. Yeah. If you can't. Big hit.
we're not looking for that.
Okay. But it's staying out.
We're doing a little photogrammetry, so we can do a 3D model at the top of the Matterhorn vent
I didn't
system
write it
here.
that time. Where are we? Big cave's out. 476. Unless. No, not midway. You won't have been there, what? Big cave's out. 476.
Alright, and then we want to go around the other way.
6. Maybe I should put the dives that they were put down.
That's all you need? Yeah.
No, go back the other way, over, fly over from the other direction.
Forward.
No.
Hopefully, you guys get it.
I'm not doing anything with the camera right now, but I can
It's helpful. I can get the
lower it.
land. The first one? Or do we go
Okay.
on even, what's that? Okay, maybe 474? 474.
First and foremost, around 6:15.
Okay.
Alright.
474.
474.
Did you put the button under
I did.
video for photo?
Yeah, are we done?
Okay. No, we're doing the last
Okay.
bit here.
474 DO5.
Yep.
Cool. So you'll have 4 out for you. What's the other one? One is even, one is big cave, one I remember one is diaphragm. Yeah, that's this one. Oh, you're gonna put one in active matter?
Okay. Great. Thank you, Ben. And now we're gonna go and pick up our yellow monkey fist with our colonization, mineral colonization experiment. Nice and bright. See? We'll try to get a couple of good close-up shots of it before we pick it up.
And where do we put it in?
Buy a box 4, and we'll put it with the array that we're picking up at Z-Vent. So the next place we're going is the Dolomites. Yeah, so we'll need a
Yes.
heading for that.
What's the number of the one going to Z-Vent today?
Easiest.
Hmm?
They have it as a marker, I think.
Yeah. Can I zoom in, Ben, or do you need it to fly?
That's fine.
Yeah.
I'll get you in a better position.
Yeah.
Come on,
Autofocus, come on.
you can do it.
You get ready. Okay. What's that? Get ready. Yeah, I think they just want to get little pictures first.
Is
The
that
auto-
shimmering water or is that the autofocus?
The autofocus isn't working great. Can I zoom in close?
We're trying to zoom on the monkey says?
Yep.
doesn't seem to
The
be
vote,
focusing.
yeah, the
One second. Alright, try zooming.
more better. Thank you. Oh, oh, woo. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's been
Whoa, it's covered.
the ring.
Can you back out a little bit?
Yeah, that's great.
Like, okay, I got it.
Got it.
Maybe.
All right. So we put this thing out here maybe 8 days ago, like that. I don't think it'll fit in the quiver, unfortunately, because it's the first ring structure.
It won't. It's too. We measure the
I
diameter.
forgot this one didn't get twisted.
Yeah,
That's why we changed the design.
yeah.
Is that surge?
All right. Can you put the lasers on?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you see just how rapidly things change around here. It's just a little over a week, and we're seeing pretty heavy colonization of our ring. I'm trying.
Where's that to go in and make that we're gonna put it in the mailbox 3 up and do it.
So you know, sir, there's all kinds of papers from the early days of first colonizers and surfaces and hydrothermal vents.
Yeah.
Andreas Steffi did, and certain epsilon chauffeurs. That'd be really interesting. Mineralogy is interesting. The microbes first colonized.
There we go. Can you get a shot with the lasers, please?
Later should be on.
I did, but I don't.
Okay. They're down at the bottom. They're there.
No, yeah.
The lasers are behind.
You can't see them on your screen because they're behind
They're
that.
behind.
So I just go for it.
Yeah.
And you can double click your image and post it.
Yeah, it's just sometimes it doesn't show you the image.
Yes, you'll have to refresh.
Tons of copepods.
Okay, got it.
There's a couple of pounds on there.
Yeah, tons of copepods.
Control R is a trick. That's the refresh.
Yeah.
You're holding out on me. Second to last dive, I learned about the Control R.
Sorry. Something new every day.
Yeah, that's right. Keep learning until the very end. Seems like the autofocus is
Still a little bit,
going well.
yeah. Pull back a little. Let's see if I can get the whole anything on the fist. Yeah, it's still not focusing.
It's Frisco.
Yeah, there's the whole thing.
3 hours down.
Yep. How's that?
Yeah, the lasers are right in the ring.
I can try. Can we turn the lasers off now? Sorry. Perfect.
Let's get it.
Here, I'll do one more out.
Okay.
Get the whole structure.
Can you get
Let me.
the,
Yeah, I'm moving in.
Yeah.
I'm moving in.
Okay.
There we go. All right.
Oh no. Yeah, we wondered what we should call it.
I think we should call it our.
Maybe our rock one.
It's got marks on it.
Oh, no, it's not.
Yeah, I'm cool either way.
MPE, mineral precipitation experiment one.
All right, now, I mean, there's not really another option, right, besides putting it in.
No, because
Big
the
firewall?
long filament is so long too. Even that would fit in a quiver.
Yeah,
But the ring won't fit in a quiver.
yeah.
No, it's gotta go in the bio box.
Yeah, the question is, yeah, we'll just,
And you'll knock off
Are we
all
grabbing
of
it now,
the
Victoria?
minerals if you put
what's that?
Are we grabbing it now?
We're gonna grab it, yeah.
So I don't think you should put anything on top of it actually.
Right, so then I put it in a small bio box. Put it in one of the, and then you only have one,
Well, but
or I could put a rock in the big bio box and then put the colonization.
Yeah.
And that even, that would be a problem.
That would be okay.
Yeah,
That would be better.
yeah.
a
So
rock
put it
won't
in a small
mess
bio
up your
box.
colonization experiments. Small biobox is better. By itself.
All right, so we're gonna
That's the
grab,
only thing, right?
we're gonna grab that and then we're gonna put out one of our colonization array that's in the milk crate. But we'll do this first.
Is this thing reach thing? Okay. I'll just be flying. That's a great answer.
Yeah, not sure. And we'll put it in one of the small bio boxes compartments in 3.
Just a really super long Oaxacia. Oh, okay. Again,
It's gonna be kind of critical, Victoria, so try not to move the camera around.
I won't touch the camera. You can have the camera.
Chris is gonna grab this picture. Hey Chris, the magic. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
what are we gonna call these? We're gonna have decided.
Another land.
Do we have a Victoria? Can you make up a name for this sample?
Let's call them R's, I guess. R. No, that's rock. That's rock.
Hole.
No, that's rock.
Ring?
M?
Just ring? Oh, why not just ring? It's 4 letters.
Yeah, ring is fine.
Ring.
Are we gonna call it spiral rings?
No, this is the one and only ring.
One and
sample.
only ring. Okay, it's coming.
The one ring.
Ring one.
One ring to rule them all.
Funerals.
Ring me.
480 ring 1. Lord of the Rings. Surge is Lord of the Rings. And is it a colonization array? No.
No.
Can I zoom in on it now that we're heading down?
I can't take more photos unless
Can
we
you open
decide
the
whether
direction?
it's a
Yep.
colonization array.
Tell me, please.
Yep.
Thank you.
And then not deployed.
I'm gonna porch out.
No, it's going into a bio box.
Can I zoom in on the ring?
Yeah.
Yeah, take a photo of it first.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
It's called colonization array. Ring 1.
All right, we're taking a picture of the ring.
It's the collection array.
Do it, Renette.
The focus is still having some issues.
It's on auto.
Let's-
Give me a second.
All right.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, it did like form a crust on it. Cool. Taking photos? Thank you.
There's a ton of coffee spots in it too.
Yeah.
That's the way to go home.
That'll be interesting.
Yeah.
Could you cut it into pieces and bring it to that live?
Maybe. Yeah.
You could snip
Yeah,
it and
yeah.
put it into a zero file?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
definitely could.
Because it'd be really interesting to try to get the first colonizers of this.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that.
All right.
Alright.
Bio box 3.
I guess you could just
with some bycatch.
It's easier to, very easy.
It's probably on between.
Do a cut of metal on this ship. Okay, figured out.
Did you email anybody from Julie's lab? Tell them we were putting out the.
Oh, cool.
Oh, not today, but I told him, but I'll message you.
You can message him. Alex probably won't know.
When did we put the ring down?
8 days ago, right?
First.
9. Oh yeah, I guess.
470, first time.
Oh,
No, we sent
Yeah, so
water.
this would have been 10 days ago. Right?
alright. Cool.
Fabulous. You guys are great. Okay, so it's the one that says matter on the top, right? Or is there bones on it?
Two, yeah, there are buttons on it, so they're gonna need both manipulators.
All right, we're just doing a little reorganization of our colonization experiments.
Looks like it's gonna come through. It's through the knot at the top, isn't it? Well, with any luck, it'll. But it looks like, doesn't it look like it's through the knot? Is it not through the knot with the float? It looks like it's not gonna slide down.
So you want to try to get that black area of the rope in the zip tie?
Yeah.
We're going clockwise again.
No. Rebecca, is it that zip tie up at the top, or does it slide up and down?
Looks like it's slid out.
So it should be lower on the rope. So he can also pull down on it, and there won't be anything it hits. Is that right?
Yep.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. So there's two adjustments. There's turning the ring around so the black is up against the zip tie, and then the other is to pull down on it and see if we can get it to seat a little lower. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna get grabbed with that.
And I was gonna try to make it through the top, that's what I would.
Your work top line?
Yeah.
Okay.
How are you working with this?
You get the phone as far away from the
Yeah.
zip tie as possible. You can't go, the tie can't go down, so that's the line.
Okay.
You have to rotate your foot a little bit.
Nice, Chris. That's great.
Same idea, just go about it different. I have to pull it up.
That's great.
Yeah, just to get it so that it doesn't fall on aggressor.
I got tension on it.
There you go. Piece of deal there.
All right. Now let's see if we can get this zip tie to the one that you just ran the piece through. If you can try to slide it down closer to the weight at the bottom, where it should hit that little loop.
Alright. Return it, there you go. It doesn't matter if we break this off, right?
It won't matter, no,
So I
but
can just
but
try to pull it down a little bit.
it would
Well,
be
it's
helpful.
coming, I feel like it needs to go up and over the bags, though, right?
Yeah,
It
I
needs to
think
come
so.
Towards us, up and over the bags.
Okay, I gotcha.
Otherwise, it won't.
Yeah,
slide down
see the
anymore.
screw is wrapped around it too.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, yep.
There, I don't see how far it goes now.
It almost looks like Jared, I can grab that tire now.
There we go. Just a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. It's gonna hit the screw though, unfortunately. They're all,
Here
it's
we
all
are.
tangled up. I think think when they just got put in there, they got just jammed into a wad.
Yeah, there it goes.
Okay.
And that's about as far as it goes.
This
Yep,
guy.
there. All right. All right. Yep, that's good.
You good?
That's perfect.
I don't know.
All right. So we're